Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Etiefo, mo bibi akwa aba Melodies TV so. Leaked memo bia many aboso. It is believed to be a memo from the Ministry of National Security, the minister designate, your friend Albert Kandapa, no. It is believed that the memo is from him to the Honorable Minister designate for Ministry of the Interior. Now, these are two top security ministries in this country. You can't Ghana, you can't ministries that handle the security of the country. National Security Ministry, and also what interior now we take care of police for any other security in something na letter we are at our screen so the tintin in the theater maybe the emunsem na but a lot of points were made by Albert Kandapa and someone walk and they say Ghana border especially Elubu border woho a soldiers for any opposite for one more border ne so no sebe one more dirty works bia yanhwe ne ye a ebetumi aha woman na obi anim say borders no ewo ho a the soldiers for ekogina border and the immigration and the police for ekogina border so for security reasons in the sense say obi a wonye authorized say wo raga na mu no ye manin ra obi a sebe wode nyamaboni bi eba Ghana no yempene ema na mfanye den emba. But this particular memo yeni aboso edal screen so say the security agencies at that particular border are collecting bribes and allowing people to enter through that border with all sorts of goods. They are allowing people to smuggle goods into the country. And you see, things like this it can go a long way to even affect this country. One year, terrorists can even take advantage of this particular thing and bring in contraband goods. Later come to me the other Ghana for drug dealers might take advantage of this particular situation and smuggle in or out drugs. Nkrofu boni bi nipa boni bi ebetumi take advantage obi akwa akobọ krono ewo your friend saying krofu fro so betumi take advantage na what the ababe Ghana mu na what the betina ha the krono na ba betina yeso and obi akwa kokum obi obetumi it just say in same bebre it can even affect us economically because goods are being smuggled ade asebe e wo say yedema Ghana for e san say wo nim say Ivory Coast we benya good price inti na wa smuggle at the core Ivory Coast. Meanwhile, it is illegal say ebia na nkasa particular goods no ebe free Ghana ko okrofu froso. There are things like that. Basika painti no the core. So now let's go into the memo ababeto yenimi. Now this memo was written as far back as January. But won't say afiance leak ababeto yenimi ntino. Yen ready. And so it was received on 27th January 2021, somewhere around last 2 weeks. Now, Osha, from the Ministry of National Security to the Honorable Minister Designate, Ministry of the Interior, was an upsurge in usage of unapproved routes in Elubu area. And Elubu. Now, the first point was reports indicate an upsurge in the use of unapproved routes in the Elubo general area by persons commuting between Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire after the just ended December 2020 general elections. It was say, yato abani wie ye no, and I say, one no enya report say Ghana any Elubo, unapproved route. What I say, baby, ye ma kwanse ni pamfa, nkrofo efa ho enye easy. Also, the situation has led to an increase in smuggling of goods from Cote d'Ivoire into Ghana and vice versa, in spite of the presence of security personnel at these unapproved routes. with the Navy patrolling the Tano River. Security personnel Navy air patrol the Tano River. Now, so we say the smuggling of goods from Cote d'Ivoire to Ghana, Egusua airco are any easy. I say it was gathered that some security personnel, including those manning the Abase and Samenye checkpoints, comprising the police, immigration, customs, and military, extort monies ranging between 1,000 CFA and 10,000 CFA from illegal migrants, and have been aiding them in the smuggling of goods in and out of the country. It was further gathered that security personnel deployed at unapproved routes do not conduct thorough profiling and inspection of goods, which has dire security implications. And media allegations. This is from a minister designate. Our also a minister of a security a security outfit. Yeah, what can wabubodi one na wabubodi enyame ni ankoka say melodies. Was it police for immigration for customs for ni military for extortiska wamu jiska efri nkrofo ho a wamu bua nkrofo no ma wamu the goods just say wamu smuggle goods in and out of the country. And you see, I'll tell you about this, the side effect of this whole thing, but nim safer rates ni minti. Let me just check right now, because on our price was 1,000 and 10,000 safer. Let me just check on my phone right now. Maybe, hey Google, what's 1,000 safer in cities?
$1,000 equals $5,815.
Minka dollars, what's dodo? Hey Google, what's 1,000 CFA in Ghana cities?
Here is information from coinmill.com, the currency convert.
Hey Google, what's 1,000 safer in Ghana cities?
I found these results.
Okay. Intino meba. On say technology ne yana. Yeah. 1,000 safer. O se saba Ghana skemwa. Saying 1,000 safer kre saying. Asemu. It's for me bow. But asem no ni na no. Yan chaso ba me hwehwe 1,000 safer in Ghana cities na me de abremo. But there all can say there all can say Ghana for police for immigration, customs for military for LGGSCA. And you see the side effect I want to tell you, say these people are being allowed to smuggle goods. You see, without any proper profiling. That security, aside the security implications, no, in Crawford way crown say bia with the coronavirus say ba you be see dey hu. With the coronavirus say ba you be see dey wa hwe 1,000 safer yi you see 10 cities. Sisi na me check here 1,000 safer. You see 1,000 safer 10 cities. 10,000 safer 100 cities inti because of 10 cities ni 100 cities inti ni ye penny man for smuggle goods without proper profiling, which is which has dire security implications on this country. Hey, ya no my way yankasa minimo se sike libre nema enkrofo bi hwe asema meka Ghana won ya na ye ton ye ho boni o asema meka ya na ye ka ye see slave trade last Ghana ni be kan sa asem na ye ne kre sa message no send ma otumfo no sa message no e fa baby ye ne kre because we share slave trade we cut it amamremu na we slave trader ube hu ne se emrofofo no enyo mo ankasa no mo ba ye be chi yen wo mo ne Ghana fuo bi ene pene ho na Ghana fo ne ka se nipa we ye beto na ma ahemfo nkase bi ene pene ya wo mo ton ya Ghana nkrofo ma mrofofu ya mrofofu yi de ya nkrofo ko ye slave trade opa ko read the history ahemfo bi mpenifo influential people bi ene ne mrofofo ne ye mrofofo ne omo be kasa no omo ye Canada eton ye nkrofo na nka omo ampeni a na nka Ghana na nka slave trade bi eni ho e be ko so Africa ebibi man Is this not the same thing? You are taking 10 cedis from between 10 cedis to 100 cedis, and you are allowing people to smuggle in and out goods without the implication. Say goods we are nipakuidi be ha Ghana dabi emfa ne ho. Ghana ho nyame na ebo ye ho ban ho. Ne krane nyame anim say nanka nkrofo boni bi some outside share call way everything the Lost Resistance Army Joseph Kony say over 30 years ni just wo mo ahwehwe ne so wo mo bechi na wo mo nya ne nche no obi a wo free Uganda wo free Uganda o nanso wo ko se wo Uganda saa kukum nkola chi nkola de etiosho mu nsema nkola ne kukum omo maame ne omo papa ne omo teachers ne nyama training nkola ma nkola akola gina wanim akola 8 years 9 years o gina wanim no kretio ekun obi a no free Uganda o no mo fi say it was only a Ugandan problem. As far back as afa wo dwane ko share bush mu e ma afa wo kwa attack Sudan na wa kwa attack Congo na wa kwa attack Central African Republic. Obi a no free Uganda wo sha say wo attack Uganda o. Omo ye ne hwan sa ma afa ko attack all of these African countries. E kwa attack wo mo nkrofo. Meanwhile na wo free Congo, wo free Central African Republic, but no attack omo. And that's the same scenario here. Yehuni say oh we there ye penema ebia wo mu de rem say me Jimmy Sika na de rem unnim you don't know where this can end. Now what shall the fourth pointer or say it has also been observed that commercial vehicles, notably OA Transport and Diplomat Transport companies, which stopped using the Elubo Aflao route following the closure of the country's land borders, have resumed operations, plying the route with more than 4 buses every night. Further, the Ford and Ghana Private Road and Transport Union Authority (GPRTU) in Elubo have witnessed an increase in patronage. Ghana and Amino say yes, ya to land borders move because of coronavirus. Ekufuado Bekasa and our president Ekufuado Bekasa was our borders are still closed, but no, and a national security minister designate no. What can we letter we letter is supposed to not be leaked no memo what can we say hey border president classy we close you know. Just say jiska ebie border no man for the bus ebako sa ebe say na coronavirus no sabe increase say. I want to try my comment box ni mo ma ya timu no